Here's an updated step-by-step explanation of the National Education Policy (NEP) in India, highlighting the changes it brought about. Step 1. Development and formulation. The NEP was formulated by the Government of India through an extensive consultative process involving education experts, policymakers, educators, stakeholders, and the public. Unlike previous policies, the NEP underwent a thorough review and revision process to ensure it aligns with the current needs and challenges of the education system. Step 2. Vision and goals. The NEP introduced a new vision and set of goals for the development of education in India, emphasizing the need for a holistic, inclusive, and high-quality education system that prepares students for the challenges of the 21st century. It shifted the focus from rote memorization to critical thinking, creativity, and skill development. Step 3. Holistic development. The NEP placed a stronger emphasis on holistic development, recognizing the importance of nurturing not only academic excellence but also social, emotional, and physical well-being. It introduced measures to promote mental health and well-being among students, teachers, and other stakeholders. Step 4. Early Childhood Care and Education (ECE). The NEP prioritized early childhood care and education (ECE) by aiming to provide universal access to quality ECE for children aged 3 to 6 years. It introduced measures to improve the quality and availability of ECE services, including the establishment of Anganwadi centers and preschools. Step 5. Foundational literacy and numeracy. The NEP placed a greater emphasis on foundational literacy and numeracy, aiming to ensure that every child achieves basic reading, writing, and mathematical skills by the end of grade 3. It introduced innovative pedagogical approaches and interventions to address learning gaps and improve learning outcomes. Step 6. Curriculum framework.